Interesting information about Dubai. Dubai is considered one of the safest cities in the world. Bangkok followed by Paris and London, with 16 million visitors. Dubai is the fourth most visited city in the world. Oil helped Dubai grow rapidly and contributed 50% of GDP. The annual World Cup of the world's richest horse race is held in Dubai. The total amount paid to the winners is $12 million. Camel racing is popular in Dubai. In the past, children were raced by sitting on top of them. But today they have been replaced by robots. A trained falcon is the most expensive bird in Dubai, sold for over $250,000. 99% of water used in Dubai comes from water desalination plants, which remove salt from seawater. Dubai Museum is located inside the 18th century Qila al-Fahidi fort. It is considered the oldest building in Dubai, dating back to 1787. Dubai has its own official airline called Fly Dubai. While Dubai is almost entirely desert, alcohol is permitted in Dubai but is strictly regulated. The legal drinking age is 21 years. Non-Muslims are allowed to practice their religion freely in Dubai. It is against the law to wear indecent clothing in Dubai unless at a water park, beach, or nightclub. There are over 80 schools in Dubai that offer the British curriculum or a slight variation of it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel